How to change or hide your region in Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change or hide your region in Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app and head over to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then tap on Settings in the next menu. On this menu, tap on Security, then tap on Login Activity, and you'll be able to see at the bottom it can tell you where you're logged in, and above it just gives you an option to say if this was you or if this wasn't you when it logged into a certain location. But I'm just going to ignore that one for now. Now if you want to change your location on Instagram, so you can click on the three dots next to where you're logged in, and here it brings up with a map of where you're logged in, and you can just tap on log out and this will log you out from the region where you are, and you won't be able to see in your region, so it will be hidden. And that's all it takes to change or hide your region on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.